don't think we can put this in.
No.
I don't think, yeah.
तो यहाँ अब कट करने के बाद हम हंस लेते हैं. Shit, मैंने हेडफोन गिरा दी.
Fucking tomato.
I'm sitting on them, no? That's why.
Oh fuck! My mother did not tell me. I guess it's too late now. What's happening, dude? Sheesh Mahal on selling Sunset.
What?
You see?
No. शीश महल को बेच रहे हैं?
शीश महल को selling Sunset पे डाल दिया उन्होंने.
अच्छा.
There's a whole fucking thing going on.
Wow. Okay. No, okay. Tell me first.
I'm kidding. It's actually the BJP has apparently put out images of the interior of the chief minister's bungalow, the one he just renovated recently.
Yes.
And they're calling it Sheesh Mahal in the media.
Nice.
Because the assembly elections are going on local, I think Delhi mein soon. तो ये चल रहा है मस्त. हम कह selling Sunset पे
I love
डाल
me
दिया
a good slander campaign. कि भाई देखो इन्होंने इतने रईसी से जी रहे हैं.
45 करोड़ खर्चे ना उसने.
Oh wow. Okay.
आम आदमी है भाई.
आम आदमी.
Right.
वो नहीं, वो आम आदमी ये कर रहा है पार्टी. ठीक है.
कुछ लोग आम आदमी है, ये बंदा पार्टी है.
हाँ.
You got
35 करोड़ क्यों लग रहे हैं यार?
45, 45.
Yeah, okay.
No, but the images are nuts. I mean, listen, you got to give it up to him. He did a good job.
Yeah.
Like I would, live in that home.
Okay.
Let me show you.
हाँ भाई, सीएम का घर है, सबको दिखना चाहिए.
भाई जकूजी पूल लगा रखा है भाई ने. Italian.
जरूरी होता है.
Correct.
वो ऐसे डिसाइड कैसे करेगा इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें? जकूजी के ऐसे पीछे जेट स्प्रे.
When you work with आम आदमी, you got to relax. It's a stressful job. Caring for the underprivileged, providing school and sanitation and a better future, essentially, right? On the whole.
Yeah.
So how is he going to do his job if he can't fucking go home, knock back a couple of whiskeys in his jacuzzi with, I don't know, company? Perhaps. He deserves it at the very least. He's worked so hard.
Correct. I mean, देख, आम आदमी के बीच भी कोई तो खास होगा ना? कोई तो खास आदमी भी जरूरी है?
Depends on what side of the debate you fall on. Because, and this is very interesting. So Michael Malice has this litmus test. Hold on. First you look at the images.
ये तो टीवी पे ऐड ऐसे करके आते हैं.
वही कह रहा हूँ, तभी तो सेलिंग Sunset बोल रहा हूँ कि भाई ये तो होना चाहिए Netflix पे.
कोई सेक्सुअली क्लाड गार्ड फट गई है. गोदरेज कमिंग सून इन सेक्टर 41 नोएडा देख के
नीचे जा मकान देख.
भाई का इन्फिनिटी पूल.
मकान का एक वीडियो डाला है भाई ने ट्विटर पे. वीडियो है.
प्ले करूं?
प्ले करना.
वाओ.
Watch it. I'll fucking overlay it for the audience.
Wow.
Yeah, he's done a good job, dude.
भाई मजे. जिम इतना बेंच करता है केजरू?
Bro, you don't see it under the layers of sweaters and mufflers.
Wow.
But he's ripped.
He's jacked.
He's jacked.
He's Anupam Kher 2.0.
That image is still nuts to me, dude.
That image is nuts to mankind. टकला सिल्वेस्टर स्टैलोन लग रहा है.
I mean, how, like, what is he trying to do to keep himself in shape for Kiran Kher? I don't think that's it can't be the motivating factor. For most men, the motivating factor is to get some pussy. If you're chasing tail, you want to be fit.
I don't know, maybe Kiran
You want to
Kher
deliver for the
really-
ladies out there also. We care for you. Well, I clearly not in this stage.
भाई ये तो बहुत
That I
इसका
put
जिमी
myself
इतना
in.
खतरनाक है.
Bro, ये बहुत सही मस्त मकान बनाया है ये. और apparently the wife was involved. But इसको तो काट दिया यार. मतलब कि इसने भैंचो इतना सोच समझ के इतना महंगा मकान बनाया, फिर तो ये लेगी, मार लेगी. इसका तो रहा भी नहीं.
Crazy.
This guy, dude.
उसके डोले आ रहे हैं.
Bro, नाम मार लेना है तो जिम में करते क्या करती है वो? What is the thing? सोले ना सो जाती है.
मार देगी ब्रो.
बेंचो, you don't know.
भाई क्या बढ़िया जगह है ये.
Done a good job.
मैं सीएम बन जाऊं?
I don't see the problem with it. People are fucking making a big fuss. Do you not want your politicians to fucking have a good time every now and then? You know?
और ऐसा घर मिलेगा तो कोई ईमानदार सच्चा ही
Bro,
मोटिवेट होगा.
if he's not going to be in a position to test out the jacuzzi for himself, how is he going to promise?
जकूजी में तो बहुत जेट्स है.
Listen, Narendra Modi promised a toilet for everybody. You never know what AAM is trying to do. Maybe they're offering jacuzzis to everybody, and what they need to do is test it out. You got to take it out for a spin.
हर गांव में जकूजी.
You got to take it out for a spin, dude. Some of these jacuzzis, you get them installed, the fucking pump stop working, It has to stand the test of time.
हाँ,
How is this fucker?
meaning he's working on irrigation.
What happens in capitalism is a lot of money goes into R&D, which is why whenever a new entrant comes into the market, it's expensive, very expensive. The Galaxy Fold phones. Then that cost is subsidized by finally the masses adopting it and economies of scale being achieved.
Correct.
To achieve economies of scale, अगर वो बंदा 42 करोड़ नहीं खर्चेगा, तुम्हारे पास 4,500 कैसे आएंगे?
देख, कोई मंत्री पद खाली नहीं है सरकार में, ठीक है? जो तू इतना झड्डा लहरा रहा है ना,
मैं तो कह रहा हूँ,
इकोनॉमिक्स का टोपा पहना के, टोपा नहीं टोपी, सॉरी।
मैं कह रहा हूँ मुझे लेट कर दो, मैं भी खड़ा कर दूं ऐसे मकान।
मैं भी कह रहा हूँ मैं सीएम बन जाता हूँ।
पंजाब
मैं लोगों का भलाई तो करना चाहता हूँ जकूजी से।
Exactly, dude.
हाँ,
I just want to work hard all day
मैं
to help,
वीडियो कॉल पे दुनिया बदल दूंगा
to
मेरे
help
भाई।
people get better, and then you know, knock back a couple of bottles of Dom Perignon.
Yeah.
Maybe have a fucking ortolan chef fly in,
Oh,
and yeah, eat the whole thing.
yeah, that ऐसे ही खाते हैं ना?
Yes,
It's that
and
छोटा French चिड़िया,
Is the bird, yes.
which then got banned and shit.
It's banned in a lot of countries.
Yeah.
But maybe that's what he's getting up
But you
to.
eat it bones and whole in one.
It's the
bite.
same principle. If he don't do it, he
Why-
doesn't do it, then how will you eat it?
हाँ,
The goal is for me to eat a ortolan
yeah.
for breakfast.
भैंचोद, इसके घर का वीडियो खत्म ही नहीं हो रहा। इतना बड़ा घर है, अभी तक चल रहा है यहाँ पे। मैं देख रहा
Apparently,
हूँ।
तो बड़ी आर्टिकल पढ़ नीचे, apparently टेंडर वेंडर के भी जो उन्होंने रूल्स थे वो वायलेट करे हैं, बड़ी सारी इन्वेस्टिगेशन चल रही है।
I don't believe it.
I say you want to make an omelet, you gotta break some eggs.
Ortolan eggs.
Well, that would be the tits.
That would be the chicks for sure.
It really would be the eggs, it's not really the tits. So
Yeah, the tits are not used here. No.
remember when you were commenting on,
मुर्गी दूध तो नहीं देती।
डिपेंड करता है कौन सी टाइप की मुर्गी है।
Okay. Please clarify. I'm unsure.
Let your imagination run wild, dude.
Don't.
You gotta let your imagination run wild. What was I talking about? I was about to say something, but it escapes me now. That's spicy. I like it. Can I have my phone back? Are you still looking at the fucking video?
It just finished. It's 4:20 long.
He should have done. You know
4
what?
minutes,
They should have gotten ahead of this thing. They should have had a hello MTV, welcome to my cribs. If they had a segment where Arvind Kejriwal walked us through his decision-making process about testing it out for the masses, this would have been like you got to spin it.
You need a referendum
I
on the
need it
interior design.
for the
You
interior.
need two competing designs and you need a referendum.
Oh, that would be.
Brexit style.
You got to vote on these fucking decisions.
Yes.
I don't think that's a fucking good way to go about it.
Shouldn't the public be involved in
This
all decision-making?
will be like real. Like I don't think the masses in this country have the best aesthetic sense.
अगर जनता केजरीवाल के बेडरूम में छोटा भीम का फोटो चाहती है तो तेरे को क्या प्रॉब्लम है?
Beauty is an ideal. It motivates.
तो
it
उसको भी डाल
inspires
देंगे।
you.
तो चमेली क्या नाम है लड़की का? चुटकी।
Ugliness repels you. You got to strive towards ideals. There's got to be a fucking Mount Olympus you're aiming for. That's what I think.
कैलाश पर्वत।
कैलाश पर्वत डाल दे भाई, जो भी मैं कह रहा हूँ, पहाड़ पिरामिड गीजा डाल दे वैंचुद
गीजा।
पिरामिड डाल दे. You gotta aim for the top, dude. You can't be fucking wallowing in mediocrity. Some people enjoy it, but it's not for me.
Same.
And what's
Chhota
happening
Bheem
on your
se
side of
bad
the pond?
कल मेरी गाड़ी ठुक गई।
Of course.
In fact ठुक गई थी, मैं यहाँ आया।
The moment you get news of you finally getting a new vehicle,
I was
the one that you have,
नहीं, स्टोरी है पूरा।
सुना दे.
मैंने नहीं किया।
Ooh.
But
नहीं ठुक गई तूने, हाँ तूने इतने बड़ा की ठोकी.
हाँ।
Correct.
And
Go on.
ध्यान देता है भाषा पे, very nice. यार
He'll take the small victories, huh? Anyway, go on.
when they come, sure. But in fact, I came here yesterday with my Gadi Tuki, and had I parked it the other way around, you would have seen it. It was in the right backside, so you I parked right in front of your car. You didn't see it on your
Was
way
it
out,
parked somewhere and someone's
It was parked right
fucked
next
it?
to you.
Fucked it while it was
I
parked?
was stationary at the red light.
You were the red light. Okay. Well, if you would know, because I was asking, the reason I was asking was because of your marvelous parking the other day, this week, where half your car was jutting out
No.
on one side. So I was saying,
I
if
have no idea
someone
what you're talking about.
if
I always
someone
park.
fucked up the rear of your car because it was parked incorrectly, they would be totally justified because you're an idiot. But it's a red light, hence वो चूतिया है. हेडलाइट में कोई कानून नहीं होता. देख रेड लाइट करो रेड लाइट.
हेडलाइट में भी कोई
हेडलाइट में भी कानून नहीं होता.
हेडलाइट की तो माँ चुद गई. दिखा दो तुझे. भाई मैं तेरे को फोटोज दिखा रहा हूँ.
हेडलाइट की माँ किसी चुतिया अगर पीछे से टुकी है.
सॉरी पीछे के
टेल लाइट
टेल लाइट.
वाओ डूड दिस गाय इज फकिंग. ध्यान देता है वर्ड्स को ध्यान देता है तुम लोग. डू यू केयर अबाउट वर्ड्स गाइस? He'll point it out and then he'll fuck
मैं
up.
कभी वर्ड्स में भावनाओं में बह जाता हूँ ना ऐसे.
Carry on.
ओके तेरे को दिखा रहा हूँ फोटोज और एक वीडियो है वो एंड में देखना. वो 3 सेकंड का.
Holy shit.
तो मैं
There's like a MUV, big vehicle. It has to have some height. What? Hello.
खास रहा था ना भोसड़ी के. 2 सेकंड रुक.
Hurry up.
बताता है.
I can't have dead air.
ये वो थप्पड़ मार साले को. ये वो गाड़ी थी यार. It's that electric वाला vehicle but not the one that keeps the passengers, the one that takes the cargo. So it's got that big,
So it's
it's
electric
like a
tempo.
small lorry.
It's an
Yeah,
electric tempo.
yeah, it's electric tempo. So वो लोहे से वो पूरा बना है. वो जो उसका side है लोहे का, he crashed that side into me and himself half into the curb also, by the way.
This fucking clown, dude. He's trying to create a fourth lane out of nowhere. Fucking this retard. Yeah, I see it. HR 38A G5 294. If you see this on the road, steer clear. He's a retard. He's fucked up a friend's car and he'll fuck up yours, buddy.
His name is Mansa Ram.
मनसा राम एक नंबर का गधा है. उससे दूर भाग जाना. उसके माथे पे लगना चाहिए गधा.
Bhai, and this guy, he's like, मेरे को जल्दी. So I was 2 minutes away from
Send me
Mukund's-
these photos of Mansa Ram. I'm gonna put it around the fucking internet.
Did you see the video?
Did not actually.
Is 2 minutes. I was 2 minutes away from Mukund's studio. At
Mudit.
yes, at the last traffic light. So then I called him also. I called the cops. I'll tell you.
Wow. This is a 3-second video?
Yes.
That's all you wanted to show.
ये हमारे Burbit.
He's insane. This guy is insane. I cannot.
Oh, it's chilling.
3 fucking second video. He was to show.
Mukund ने लिया मैं क्या करूँ? He didn't take any other. I told him
Guys,
promotion के
If you
content
have an
के काम
iPhone, that's a live photo, dude. I mean, that's fucking 3 seconds is a bloody live photo.
I told him हमें content चाहिए, promotion के काम आएगा, फोटो वीडियो ले कुछ. चूतिया खड़ा था वहाँ पे. अपनी सेल्फियाँ खींच रहा है मेरे गाड़ी के उसमें क्या कहते हैं रिफ्लेक्शन में. Anyway, so Mansa Ram.
गाड़ी के रिफ्लेक्शन में कि वो मिरर में?
नहीं, ऑरेंज पार्ट के बॉडी के रिफ्लेक्शन में.
Okay.
क्योंकि धूप आ रही थी ना, गोल्डन आवर चल रहा था.
You gotta fucking explore the golden hour, dude. It's not every day that you're out at golden hour. So every time you see a fucking opportunity, take a picture. You never know what Hinge Broad is gonna pay attention to the details.
Mukund is happily in a relationship.
Well, that is not necessarily gonna last.
Well, depends.
I'm just saying.
Is it?
Listen, I'm just saying it's not necessarily gonna last. I hope it does for him, for his sake. He seems happy.
Yeah, and she seems like a nice girl.
All I'm saying is
so I
there's
guess
a
it won't last.
possibility his life अभी लंबी जिंदगी ahead है.
उसका तो फोन नहीं है ना.
I'll cut all of that out. Yes. Where
So-
were we?
So, मैं खड़ा हूँ रेड लाइट पे.
Correct.
मुकुंद का स्टूडियो 500 meters दूर है.
Hmm.
I was about to, there was two seconds left in the red light. मैं change कर ही रहा था ब्रेक दबा के. I was moving to drive, तो मैं नीचे देख रहा था. Suddenly, my car and I fly ahead. Like it hit and at speed.
I've been on the doing end of that.
I have no doubts. And I look back and I see this guy's married to the curb
Yeah.
and is there and he's a little
Fucking the curb. He's not
yeah,
married. Yeah, it's Sohagrat ho rahi hai iski.
correct.
Go on.
He doesn't seem the commitment type.
Yeah.
And anyway, so he's fucking the
He's going to
curb.
just pump and dump.
He's a
He's a pump and dumper.
He's a dine and dash also. I'm about to tell you. Wait,
Wow.
hold on. So
What did he eat?
hold
He
on.
ate you out?
My fucking car, bro.
Jesus.
He ate that tail light.
Go on.
He likes chasing tail.
Uh-huh.
But so he is there, and his thing is a bit lopsided, and I obviously just put it in park. I turned off the car. I got out. I'm like, "Oi, what the fuck?" Is that whatever? I went, and he's like, मुझे छोड़ दो, मुझे जाना, whatever. I'm like, first तो तू कहीं नहीं जा रहा, बंद कर गाड़ी, बंद की गाड़ी. I took out his keys, put in my pocket.
Mansa Ram, guys, watch out. He's out there prowling the streets.
He's in Okhla.
Some men just want to watch the world burn.
Yeah, don't go to Okhla.
Christopher Nolan wrote that shit.
If you have a studio in Okhla, move. But anyway,
Go.
not that that's targeted at all. But anyway, so he's like, मैं late हो रहा हूँ, मुझे जाना. I'm like, oh, आप late हो रहे हो? I was full. I went, क्या? I was like, आप late हो रहे हो? Sorry, यार. बैठो चुपचाप. And I called Mukund and I called the cops. The cops obviously took their sweet time to come. आधा घंटा 2 बार phone
No,
किया.
I'm surprised. That makes no sense.
Police station was fucking 800 meters away.
I am so shocked.
Anyway, so Mukund aaya pehle, and then somewhere in between, and I didn't see. I'm looking at the front of his car, and again, because I was looking down, I didn't know what side he hit me with. But as I'm looking at the front of his car, and I'm like, how is this not damaged? Whatever. So I'm just not thinking about it too much. I was just waiting for the cops, and he, in the meantime, is trying to leave because wahan Dhalan se had sloped down. So he just puts his car into drive mode or whatever, and he tries to slowly go away. I don't say anything. I walk, I push it against the other way. He tries it a second time. This time Mukund and I are both pushing it again. He's like, then he starts speaking. Nobody's talking to him. We're just like, आप wait करो. we're like, भैया आप तमीज से cooperate कर लोगे, कोई बात नहीं. मुझे सिर्फ report, गरीब आदमी है, उससे तो पैसे वसूलने नहीं है.
No, and that's good for your insurance to have that
Yes,
report.
that's exactly what I was saying. I said, मुझे इसकी भरपाई करनी है, तो मुझे इसके लिए इंश्योरेंस के लिए रिपोर्ट चाहिए. तो
I
बस
say string him up.
my bua and all asking, तूनु चमाट मारे? Did you? Because they grew up with my dad, who is the type who the dhode gets. I'm like, this is not my style.
I see some sense in it.
I do too, but it's not me.
I get it. Sure.
I prefer the.
That's me. That's not me. By the way,
I have
I'm
fun.
not that guy.
My dad.
But I see the sense in it.
हाँ. But my dad will get all angry and this stuff. I'm having my fun with it. I'm like, ये हुआ है, इसका मजा लेते हैं.
Same.
ठीक है, तो मेरे में
correct.
वो नहीं है.
मैं भी ऐसा हूँ.
वो violence वाला भाव ही नहीं है मुझ में.
Useless.
So I'm like, वही चूती है, kind of like, क्या चल रहा है? ऐसे क्या आके बैठे हो? वैसे ज़्यादा मजे चल रहे हैं. But anyway, so then he starts talking and nobody's talking to him. ऐसे तमीज से कॉपरेट कर रहे हो, रिपोर्ट लिखाऊंगा, आपको जाने देंगे, आपका कुछ नुकसान नहीं लेना, बस आपको टाइम का साथ देना होगा हमारे साथ, बस कोई. You think somebody, decent enough chap would be like, हाँ ठीक है, whatever, sorry. He's like, मैंने नहीं मारा.
Yes.
Mansaram starts.
But
also because I guess he's noticed also कि दिख नहीं रहा कि कहाँ लगी है गाड़ी. And उसका भी वो story है, but so he's like, मैंने नहीं मारा. And Mukund just showed up and he's like, इन्होंने गाड़ी ठोकी है, मैं 15 मिनट बाद आया हूँ, इन्होंने मुझे यहाँ रोक लिया है, मेरे पे इल्जाम लगा रहे हैं. एंड आई एम लाइक, गाड़ी तो 5 मिनट पहले ठुकी है, ये अभी आया, तुझे कैसे पता टाइम क्या है मेरा कि तू 15 मिनट बाद आया उसके. और एनीवे व्हाटएवर. सो एंड मुकुंद इज आल्सो लाइक, कहाँ लगी है, कहाँ, नॉट थिंकिंग. देन द कॉप शोज अप एंड देन द कॉप इज आल्सो, पहले मुकुंद भी मुझ पे डाउट कर रहा है कि कहाँ लगी है. मुकुंद भी मुझसे ये सवाल पूछता है कि आर यू श्योर इसी ने तेरी गाड़ी ठोकी है. एंड आई एम लाइक, अबे गधे,
fucking Mudit.
या आई एम लाइक, देख,
I hope you break up. I'm kidding.
if it's better for you, sure buddy, go for it. I mean, we want the best life for you. Anyway.
Go on.
Whatever. So Mukund asked me same question कि are you sure इसके बारे में. I'm like, देख, मैं समझता हूँ मेरे पे doubts generally, लेकिन यहाँ तो थोड़ा भरोसा कर ले, इसी ने मारी है, ये मुझे लग रहा है, maybe it's the tyrist, I don't know कहाँ से, whatever, what angle, where the bite has come. So मुकुंद like, अच्छा ठीक है. तो पुलिस वाला भी आता है. वैसे जैसे क्राइम पेट्रोल देख, जो कॉप ज्यादा क्राइम पेट्रोल देख कर नहीं आते. So he comes and मोहित कुमार, हेड कांस्टेबल, ठीक है, he is like कि अच्छा, इससे तो लग नहीं रही कि गाड़ी इससे लगी है, इससे बजी है. वो भी आगे ही देख रहा है वहां पे, लाइक इसी से लगे. ही सेज, आप श्योर हो यही मार के गया है? एंड आप लाइक, यार आप लोग क्या यार. दोनों मेरे पे. एंड मनसाराम स्टोरी इज गेटिंग स्ट्रॉन्गर कि मैंने तो नहीं मारी.
In the court of public opinion.
Yeah. And in the meanwhile, by the way, before Mukund arrived on the scene, after Mukund arrived on the scene, ऐसे 4 5 6 लोग traffic में आते हुए, because I stopped there only.
I'm
the traffic
starting to
light.
doubt your story actually.
सुन ना, अरे climax के लिए तो रुक. So then people, passerbys are just coming. 2 of them just went and they're like, उसको they looked at his face, realized he's guilty. They're like, क्या यार, क्या करते हो तुम लोग, और चले गए. मेरे को भी कुछ नहीं बोला. मतलब वैसे दिल्ली की जनता आके जज करके चलती जा रही थी. One or two guys, one guy actually helped me with a call on the cops to tell them where to come. So then ऐसे this guy is walking around prowling with both of his hands on his hips, walking between my car and this car and my car and this car. ऐसा तो नहीं लग रहा इसे गाड़ी से लगी है आगे से. And I'm like, इसी से लगी है. आप sure हो इसी से लगी है? Anyway. So then Mudit is just looking around his car and he sees on the iron dabba part, which also explains the severity of the impact, on the side wahan pe, he saw some of the orange paint and of my car, the trade-off. So and वो Mansaram by then had already been like, ये मेरे को फंसा रहे, इसे गरीब आदमी को परेशान कर रहे हैं. And I'm like, मैं कुछ नहीं कर रहा इस टाइम पे. उसको मिल गई. So then Mohit Kumar comes. He sees what Mudit is showing. He picks up with his one finger, one hand. He picks up the orange paint, brings it like this, walking like sample as a pakad, comes to my car, takes out orange paint from there, holds them together, looks at me, looks at him, और भाई अब तू ना कहेगा कि तेरे गड्डी से न लगी है. And I'm like, and वहाँ पे, because
this guy's a TV cop for sure, dude. He's a TV cop.
Total.
Yeah.
And Mansaram is like, नहीं वो यहाँ ये तो वहाँ से लग गया था.
ये मैं जो दूसरी गाड़ी को मार के आया ना, ये वो हाँ, ये दूसरी गाड़ी का था.
I said,
मनसाराम से बच के रहो.
And then I interjected and Mudit भी खुश हो रहा है कि वहाँ उसने आइडेंटिफाई किया. तो मैं वहाँ इंटरजेक्ट कर गया. I'm like, नहीं ऑफिसर साहब, ये सही तो कह रहे हैं, हम ही इतने हराम जादे हैं कि हम घूमते हुए अपनी गाड़ी ठुकवाते हैं, फिर अब रुक के देखते हैं कि कौन सा गरीब आदमी है, उसको अब पकड़े और बोले कि भाई इसको हम फंसा दे.
It's not out of the question when someone comes across you out in the public.
But मैं तो मजे ले रहा था ना.
Sure, but I'm just saying, it's not the satire, the sarcasm doesn't land necessarily.
It landed very well over there.
No. I'm telling you, dude, people will take you seriously.
I knew I should have said this with on the episode with Hussain. मुझे चुप रहना चाहिए था 2 दिन.
Oh shit.
वो
because you would have taken your, yeah.
वो हंस तो देता.
Exactly. Well.
फिर हम पुलिस स्टेशन गए.
ओहो.
रिपोर्ट लिखवाई.
Nice.
दया से.
Yeah, FIR.
हाँ. एक मेहताब करके ऑफिसर था. नाम भी मेहताब और लगता भी दया का मौसेरा भाई था, CID वाला. Big हट्टा.
Right.
And so I told him also कि इसको तो नहीं फंसाना. He's like, हाँ आप ऐसे रिपोर्ट लिख दो कि भाई कोई गाड़ी ठोक के चली गई और पहचान नहीं पाया, whatever, because नहीं तो this guy gets in trouble, whatever. And
correct.
You don't need to blame somebody for the insurance thing. So then I wrote this letter to file as the report. And he said हिंदी में लिख देना.
आज 9 दिसंबर 2024 पर 12 बजे दोपहर के एक बैटरी वाला रिक्शा मेरी गाड़ी के पीछे से गाड़ी को पीछे से मारकर भाग गया. उसका नाम और नंबर प्लेट नहीं लिख पाए. यहाँ घटना FSI हॉस्पिटल ओखला के सामने वाली ट्रैफिक लाइट पर हुई. लिख लो भाई, FSI हॉस्पिटल ओखला, मनसाराम देखे दूर भाग जाना. अबे मैं लाइसेंस प्लेट छेप दूंगा यहाँ पे. युवराज मेहरा, ये मैं एड्रेस से नहीं बोल रहा.
It's ESIC hospital.
ESIC, to be perfectly clear. Precise.
Yes.
So, yeah, speaking of the police and shit, did you see Mr. Luigi Mangione?
Yeah, he murked the United Healthcare CEO, no?
Yeah, he got caught. He got arrested, I think yesterday, I believe.
What's up, Nikhil bhai?
पास कर दे भाई, पास कर दे. कोस्टर समेत. Thank you.
They caught him yesterday.
Right.
He bloody what do you call it? 26 साल का. You think what the fuck? Bright as a future. He's UPenn ka graduate. He comes from
Yes.
old money from some big family in
It's
Baltimore.
not old money, but yeah, he went private school. I don't know about old money
No,
or not.
no.
Maybe there is.
Old money. His
Really? Okay.
grandparents bought some county, some shit. Kuch tha.
Yeah, but
Matlab-
yeah, exactly. Private school kid, dude. Private school is fucking expensive. 40K a year. USD.
Anyway, अमीर घर का लौंडा.
हाँ.
ठीक है. Ivy League educated. Fucking went to UPenn for his bachelor's and master's in computer
The internet
engineering.
is a buzz. Yes. And he's been basically very active on social media. So they found a lot of content. There's a lot of content on Reddit. I don't.
भाई मतलब देखो
Yeah.
पढ़ लिख के यही होता है.
Handsome guy, handsome lad, dude. Handsome, fit lad. The ladies are gooning. I'm not even kidding you. They're
Yeah, there's a
gooning,
lot
they're
of comments.
gooning over. Yes. Fucking crazy. Hold on.
बट देख पढ़ लिख के ऐसे ही बिगड़ गया लौंडा. कॉलेज डिग्री का यही प्रॉब्लम है.
There's a conspiracy theory about his eyebrows, whether they match or not, with the other release photos.
Oh wow, I don't care about this.
I like it. I like it. Listen, the people are going crazy, and the guy in the comments is also like, "Where are my bro truthers at?"
Bro, truth.
Bro truthers. The UPenn to prison pipeline. It's been exciting on the internet with this fucking guy, huh?
Yeah.
Here he is in a kurta pajama. He's wearing Indian gear. He's decked out. He's got an Indian fit on.
Good, good.
Good. अपना ही बंदा है.
He's brown.
हाँ.
They're discriminating against him. He's being targeted for his racial affiliations.
A friend of mine made out with him while he was a student. For those curious, he is bi. Hashtag equal opportunity.
Wow. पर अब तो जेल में होगा ना बहनचोद.
Talk too much about Luigi and my boyfriend got annoyed. Some lady ranting.
Wow.
I smoked weed with the guy that killed the United Healthcare CEO. Ask me anything.
Wow. People are really milking this.
People are milking this to fucking death.
I'm gonna sneeze.
Okay.
Excuse me.
Apparently, he shot him up because of his fucked up back. He had chronic back pain. So I guess I'm gonna be shooting up a fucking guy.
I bet he's got all his relief now.
Mm.
His back is perfectly fine. Well done.
Yeah, shooting up a guy, huh?
There was another shooting story.
These
from-
parasites had it coming. I do apologize for any strife and trauma, but it had to be done. People are loving him on the internet. He's a fit guy. He's a handsome guy. Is that what it is? You just got to be if
you
you're,
get away with anything.
If you're an ugly, yeah, exactly. If you're an ugly fucking duckling like what's his face, Mr. Matthew Crook,
Yeah, it will be
Thomas
fucking-
Matthew Crook, people don't even bother. You go fucking you're done with the story.
God forbid you be sexy these days.
God forbid, नहीं अच्छी बात है ना?
नहीं मतलब people will just set you up and malign you and say you shot some CEO or something. I mean, you know, it's jealous people.
You think he's a patsy?
Obviously, he's hot, bro.
He couldn't have done it.
Exactly. That's what I'm saying. God forbid people be sexy. They fucking get framed. Look on that Instagram page also, Mug Shorties.
Yeah.
It's all these beautiful women who
They
are
have a
being,
book out.
they're being set up for crimes that they
I'm really
didn't
interested
do.
in buying that book, dude.
Those beautiful women are being set up for crimes that some uggos did, and now they're trying to pin it on the beautiful ladies. That's what it is.
That's fucking interesting. It's the revenge of the nerds.
It's the revenge of all the
Turds.
people who hated Fair and Lovely.
Revenge of the turds, really.
The people who hated Fair and Lovely.
They look like shit, huh?
Yeah.
We got Revenge of the Turds, which is why Mr. Luigi Mangione, poor guy, young fellow, bright, wrote a 262-page document or word, sorry, 262 word, I believe, manifesto. Was it a word letter
It's a
document?
manifesto. I would hope that it's words.
He wrote a manifesto, 2-page document, 262 words probably then, which makes no sense. These parasites had it coming. Had to be 262 word handwritten manifesto.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, he apparently had chronic back pain and
It went to his brain.
it fucked him. Yeah, he was unhappy and shit. He couldn't date, etc. He had fucking
He couldn't date?
implant, huh? He had degenerative disc disease apparently. Then he has weird ideas. I love him. Someone has posted, I love him. Porn should be regulated no less than alcohol, cigarettes, and travel. So the
Okay.
tweet. His Twitter has also been blown up.
Wow.
That's interesting. That's an interesting take.
Why?
I don't know, dude.
It
I mean,
sounds
it's a
clickbaity.
cultural thing. No, it's not a clickbait. This guy was very active in engaging on cultural issues on the internet.
So what is it? Porn should be?
Porn should be regulated no less than alcohol, cigarettes, and travel.
But more than guns.
Guns don't even make a fucking mention. Oh, and apparently it was a 3D printed gun, by the way. Did you see that? Well, that's what they found in his backpack. Yes, a 3D printed gun and holster or barrel. I don't know how fucking guns work.
Wow.
And then the bullets, of course, were real. And if they found one more hollow point around. But people are really fucking. There's an aspect of now, and I think it's not necessarily limited to one political side. It just disaffected youth, where people who really love this guy. I think to some people he proved a point or something. I don't know.
Yeah,
It doesn't really solve much to me personally.
that's what you say. I feel like 500 people's backs have fixed themselves now.
You gotta look at the bright side, huh?
Correct.
He threw his life away to prove a point. Yeah, this is like a post glazing
He
him.
also, by the way, he did apologize for any trauma and strife that may have been caused.
Right.
So he's a considerate young lad.
Thoughts and prayers. Yeah, MSc and BSc in computer science at Penn.
UPenn.
But it says Penn. So is that Penn State?
No, UPenn.
It could be UPenn then.
I saw because it said Ivy League graduate.
So then it has to be UPenn.
Correct.
Yearbook photo, best at pickup lines, it says. Well, handsome guy, what do you want? Handsome guy, valedictorian.
Valedictorian.
Valedictorian of his school. And also, by the way, so was the guy who got murked, the CEO. Also valedictorian.
पढ़ लिख के यही कर लो गोली खाओ या गोली मारो हैं?
See, CEO is a fucking generational, success in the sense that he started with no money. And this
And
guy,
valedictorian
this
is
guy-
a degenerational back disc patient.
they're both valedictorians. The other guy, though,
Yes.
the shooter, is a rich kid who got back problems. Oh, got back problem. My back hurts. My back hurts.
Mommy, I want to kill somebody. You think his back is going to be his biggest problem now?
Dude, he's fixed it. He's fixed the back problem. He's got bigger problems now, I guess.
Correct. So
You
now
know,
uska
it's
dhyan
whatever's
वहाँ
the
से-
biggest.
Correct. Now it's not bothering him so much anymore.
Yeah, that tracks. Makes sense.
One way
Yeah,
to
and
remove a problem is to invent a bigger one.
so much of pain is mental, and if you can shift the mental pain to now a lengthy legal battle,
That you are
an
most certainly going to
incarceration-
lose.
an incarceration. Yeah, exactly. So there it shifts the perspective, and suddenly you don't have a back pain anymore, dude. All these people, all these like for example, me now, I've just got to get involved in a fucking smuggling racket.
Go out, commit some crimes.
Yeah, exactly. I'm done with the back.
Put your focus on bigger things.
Sure.
I think it's a lesson. Once again, Luigi's showing the way.
Yeah, and by the way, guess what?
Leading by example.
If we
top
all
of his
turn into
class.
criminals, we do not need healthcare anymore.
Yeah.
Imagine that.
Yeah. That makes
So
sense.
you don't have to murk any CEOs anymore specifically.
Yeah. Of
Yeah.
healthcare.
Because that's not
Then you can focus on telecom next.
the companies are going to kill the die anyway by themselves because none of us give a fuck.
I gotta say though, for being a healthcare CEO, to have one of your employees die is a pretty bad look. But the only way it could have been worse is if they were a security company, I suppose. That would have been terrible for rap.
Health.
Correct.
Uh,
CEO की health खत्म हो
often
गई.
equated with mortality on the whole, exactly.
अब health तो रही नहीं है उसकी.
Hmm.
क्या हाल चाल है उसके बता सवाल का जवाब दे. क्या हाल है भाई के? सब
Correct.
बढ़िया.
क्या कर रहे हैं insurance company, bro? You gotta fucking develop bulletproof skin. Fucking dumbasses.
I'm
Imagine
just
your own
saying.
CEO.
I'm just saying.
What the fuck kind of vision am I looking at for the future, dude?
I mean, look, call it simple if you like. Call it the biggest thought.
Oh,
of the
there's
day
no
if you like.
way else to call it.
Call it the biggest thought of the day if you like.
Call him the biggest thought of the day.
हो गया तेरा?
Thought for the day.
Alright. मैं यही कह रहा हूँ कि आप health कंपनी हो, आपकी सीईओ के हेल्थ पॉइंट खत्म हो जाए तो फिर अच्छा नहीं लगता ना, अच्छा तो नहीं लगेगा.
Pretty funny joke. On the floor. I like it. It's
You
funny.
should be after getting shot.
It's fucking hilarious.
Yeah,
Thank you.
maybe that'll fix your back. That's another way. I'm sure the CEO has no more back problems either.
और कुछ और क्या हुआ है फिर?
Fuck you.
Surfer, apparently he's a surfer guy, dude. I mean, this guy, people are just fucking glazing him on the internet. It doesn't stop.
हाँ ठीक है, लेकिन एक और shooting incident हुआ था इस हफ्ते
Oh, tell me about that.
हमारे पंजाब में.
Man was in McDonald's at 407 East Plank Road in Altoona at about 9:15 a.m. when another customer recognized him and called 911.
Yeah, McDonald's पे कांप रहा था loser की तरह. They said he was shaking when we found him at McDonald's when we asked him if he'd been to New York City. Yeah, everyone's read that.
Violence solves nothing. Consider negotiation or seeking better insurance options. Someone responded, "Shut up, bitch." There is another fucking tweet that was really cool. Okay, dude, this is hilarious. So some guy tweeted, "Do any of you retards have a PhD? I have questions." And Luigi Mangione gave my answer. Pretty huge dick. It's the only answer.
Nice.
This guy he's a lad, dude. He's a lad. He messed up. You got to cut him some slack because
He was framed.
he is attractive. He certainly has the amount, the benefit that he would be to the economy as an active participant as opposed to an inmate.
Correct.
It's not worth it. As a
Yeah.
capitalist, it's now this has to be a purely
Now they're gonna have to
capitalist
spend
stance.
on him.
Can you imagine? I think capitalism has to evolve where justice is evaluated purely on the merit of your economic contributions. There we have a fair system of capitalism.
Yes.
Yep,
Okay.
100%.
Should be able to buy a way out of everything. To be fair.
You should be able to trade people on the stock market. I own
Only
40
if the value depends on the
I
quality
own
of assets.
56% of Shivraj Mehra. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. It's a hostile takeover.
Fuck. How do I short the stock?
Oh, dude, short.
तेरी net worth गिरा देते.
That would be an interesting system.
है ना?
Didn't Messi
It
try?
would change
I
your
think
social.
didn't Messi try something like this? Where he tried to financialize himself or his image or something as a tradable asset or something. I think he did do that.
Really?
Yes, vaguely recall my cousin telling me. Messi attempt at financializing.
Sounds like a messy attempt.
No, it doesn't
Thanks.
mention. Yeah,
Thanks. Good one.
why not?
Big win.
Well,
Idiot.
so what was the other shooting you were talking about?
Yes. In Punjab. Balle balle. At the Golden Temple. Balle balle. Sukhbir Singh Badal. Balle balle.
No way. He was punished and he was standing there with a placard or something for a long time, right? Sitting outside.
I have no idea.
Yes,
But
he was punished recently, and the punishment was that he had to have this placard written, etc., and he had to fucking sit there outside of the gate or outside the
who
fucking
punished him?
एक second. Akal Takht
Akali
bhai,
Dal.
और कौन?
Akali Dal.
Akali Dal.
Shiromani Akali Dal.
Shiromani
Sad. SAD.
That's the name.
Yeah. Shiromani Akali Dal.
That's pretty funny. Hold on. There's so much chatter on this stupid fucking group. Can you get me to the fucking juicy bits?
Oh, I'll give you something juicy. Anyway, no, but it
No,
was
hold on. Yeah, it is.
unsuccessful.
Punjab. Shiromani Akali Dal President Sukhbir Singh Badal sits by the gate at Golden Temple in Amritsar with a plaque around his neck and spear in his hand as one of the religious punishments announced for him by Sri Akal Takht Sahib yesterday.
Acha.
Yes.
Okay.
शिरोमणि अकाली दल का तो वो बंदा है अपना श्री अकाल तख्त साहब ने भैंचोद इसको बोला कि तुम खड़े हो जाओ बाहर पनिशमेंट ये देख ये और तो इसको मारा क्या किसी ने
मारा नहीं है, failed था, but he was shot at. And right, एक मिनिस्टर है, यूनियन मिनिस्टर रवनीत बिट्टू करके. दिस गाय सेड, क्या कहते हैं, जो बंदा अक्यूज चौरा, he's appealed to SAD and whatever, said कि भाई इसको legal assistance provide करो. Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu, grandson of former Chief Minister Beyant Singh, stirred controversy on Saturday by urging the Shiromani Akali Dal to recognize Qaum da Hira Narayan Singh Chora. He's giving
नारायण सिंह चौरा कौन है?
the shooter.
शिरोमणि अकाली दल को बोल रहा है कि recognize करने
हाँ,
के
कि
लिए.
इसको टाइटल से नवाजो, कौम दा हीरा, इसको रिकॉग्नाइज करो, इसको
Fucking
प्लीज
Sikh politics is insane, dude.
give him legal assistance. And
I don't fucking get Sikh politics, dude. I am so out of it. What's the take here? What are the takes?
the take is यही पता नहीं man. So this guy says that some people are giving him कि yeah man, nice try, and some people are like क्या चल रहा है बहनचोद.
And the reason, okay, so what is the reason that this was happening? Actually, that's the way to look into it. And it was explained on the group, and I'm going to fucking scroll back all the way up.
Committed
There it is. Hold on.
sacrilege
They
of
had been
Guru
so
Granth
the
Sahib.
father and son are among the worst paired hit Punjabi politics. They had been excommunicated last year over pardoning Ram Rahim on the sacrilege case 8 years ago. Oh, so they had been excommunicated over pardoning Ram Rahim. So I guess there's a segment of the sad.
That is quite sad
hierarchy,
about that.
The rank and file. The rank and file probably don't like him making that call.
Fair.
Yeah,
Ram
Baba
Rahim-
Sant, for everyone wondering, it's Baba Sant
No.
Ram Rahim Singh Ji Insan.
Wrong. Dr. Sant Baba Ram Rahim Singh Ji. Oh, Dr. Sant Gurmeet Baba Ram Rahim Singh Ji Insan. Yes.
So that fucker was pardoned by Mr. Badal.
For being a fucker.
Because the
Because Badal's also a fucker.
the
by the way.
Badals are a bunch of fucking crooks.
They ruined Punjab.
They're a bunch of fucking corrupt crooks.
जो उड़ता पंजाब देख रहे हो ना बहनचो, शायद करीना दिलजीत वाला, ये उसको रियलिटी बादल्स नहीं बनाया है. 15 साल 20 साल whatever पंजाब की गांड मारते हुए सब पाकिस्तान से ड्रग्स लाते हुए वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह.
This
ये
news is
सब
from last Wednesday only, actually, because they actually did speak about the temple
हाँ.
assassination attempt right here. I
We've
totally
grown
just
up hearing all this
glossed
crap.
over it because none of this interests me. But yeah, fuck 'em.
बादल में छेद कर देता तो बारिश तो हो जाती.
दीवाने हुए बादल. Is that a song? हाँ जी.
दीवाने हुए पागल.
प्रणाम.
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 तो कार्यक्रम समाप्त.
क्या बात कर रहा है?
नहीं हुआ टाइम.
कुछ है नहीं तेरे पास कहने को?
सुना.
आती क्या खंडाला
गान मेदू.
आ भर ले आन साला.
मेरे बबले ही झूमेंगे, गांडे चबाएंगे, झाड़ पकड़ेंगे और क्या.
हे हे
कहाँ में डालूं.
क्या उंगली दूं.
बुन में दे दूं.
टिन 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 टिन.
That's interesting. It's a pretty good song. I like it. Ignites the passions.
हाँ,
The one our version at the very least.
correct. और क्या हुआ है?
और बता कुछ इंडियन कल्चर वगैरह कुछ कल्चर में what's happening in the
अभी तो मैंने
culture?
सुना है पंजाब की प्रॉब्लम.
In the culture, that is a week old news, dog. You gotta
Punjab,
fucking whip something up
Punjab.
fresh. What else is happening? I hope Atithi Marlena is having a good time in the new fucking bungalow.
मार लेना पीट लेना.
Marlena पीट लेना.
भाई रिमेम्बर जिस दिन आतिशी बनी थी चीफ मिनिस्टर, उसी टाइम लाइव ब्रेक हुआ था, हम बात कर रहे थे उसके बारे में.
Okay.
राइट.
उसके बारे में
And-
what the fuck was that?
सॉरी मेरा
The
जर्नलिस्ट
उसके बारे में the
उसके बारे
fuck?
में हम बात कर
Oh
रहे
my
थे.
god, this fucking faggot. Holy shit. No way, dude. Don't talk like that, dude.
उसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे.
हाँ, that's fine. उसके बारे में. The
उसके
fuck?
बारे में हम बात कर रहे
तू
थे.
तो छतरपुर में रहता है, तू साउथ दिल्ली भी नहीं है भाई. Can you just calm down?
South Delhi है.
Dude, you're not Vasant Vihar.
I'm still.
Just calm down, man.
Jesus.
Jesus Christ, dude.
I went to school in Vasant Vihar.
Oh, wow. Vasant Vihar. I went to school. Vasant Vihar. Oh my God. Bhaiya.
नहीं मेरे माँ बाप ऐसे ही
मेरे
हिंदी
माँ
बोलते
बाप
हैं.
ऐसे ही बोलते हैं हिंदी.
तुझे तो पता है.
Ew.
हम
Ew. You know, yeah.
हम तुमसे 3 गुना लगान लेगा. थूकने जा रहा है. थूक again मेरी बलगम भर गई. हाँ, थूक again मेरी बलगम भर गई, छाती में तोड़ी. थूक again तो मेरे बम में भर गई. Wow, okay, I'm being put on the spot. It's different on camera. It's not as easy to just, pull it out. Comedy is a difficult business, guys. It's to be honest, it's one of the most stressful things I've ever done. Yeah, you think we're having fucking fun here? नहीं यार, गांडे फट रही हैं. तुम लोगों को हंसाना है, तुम हंसते भी नहीं हो. कोई पूरा एपिसोड तक देखे, तीन लोग पहुंचेंगे at to this point in the episode, और उनमें से 2 तो इस कैमरा पर ही है. अभी थूकने गया ये वाला, एक तो बलगम का मारा बहनचोद. मैं इसको बोला यार, तू पिया फूका मत कर, तू ऐसे go fucking leave this city, retire, live a good life, never show us your face again, clean out your lungs. Don't fucking do this on the podcast, bro. It's terrible behavior, if I'm to be honest. And yeah, it just shows an utter lack of respect, really. Hey man, good to see you. Been waiting for you. Nice to see you're back, bastard.
Boobs again. I want to feel the titty slapping on my face.
यही सोचा था ना अंदर तू बाथरूम में.
मैं तो शुरुआत में पहले भी गा चुका ना ये आज.
Correct.
So
नहीं, मैं का ऐसे ख्याल तो.
नहीं, wrong. Actually, it wasn't.
Boobs again.
They're making another one, huh? They're making the
Boobs
fourth
again.
one.
I'm not an ass man no more. I've come back to grace. Boobs again.
Boobs again.
Boobs again.
Moves again. I want to feel the bosom of her of my mama. No. Oh, wait. Oops.
Boobs again. I wanna feel her bosom. Open her lace. Something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's something there.
So
We gotta work
feel
on
all
it.
that
We
you
have to work
can.
on it. और बता. और फिर what else? What's happening? What is cooking up? How's your mother's trip to Kenya? I see you're back with an Africa t-shirt. It says Africa.
Correct. This came today.
घुटने नीचे कर हाँ.
Yeah, आज ही आया है.
हाँ. तो हाँ.
Finally, I now have my mom has done my wardrobe update in Kenya. मैंने बहुत उनसे shopping कराई है.
Yeah, of course, at the age of 28, so your mother takes care of your wardrobe.
नहीं choosing मैंने की है. ऐसे photos दिखाए हैं, video calling हुई है few times वगैरह.
What a grown up.
मैंने
He makes his mother shop for him.
हाँ भाई,
This guy is.
मैं भैंचो अफ्रीका जाऊँ या काम धंधा नहीं है मेरे को, ये पॉडकास्ट कौन देखेगा हैं? कौन करेगा ये सब?
मैं कर लूंगा, मैं संभाल लूंगा.
हाँ, 4 हफ्ते मोनोलॉग करते रही हो.
मैं संभाल लूं. तू जानता नहीं है ब्रो, मैं मोनोलॉग में मस्त हूँ.
मैं तो बोला ही है, ऐसे पॉडकास्ट एपिसोड एक होना चाहिए जस्ट तू ऐसे कैमरा में 45 मिनट तक बके ही जा रहे हैं. हाँ, तो बहुत बढ़िया हुआ. मेरे बुआ फूफा जी भी आ रखे थे, तो डैड गए एयरपोर्ट, बुआ फूफा जी को छोड़ा, मम्मी को उठाया, आ गए.
वाओ.
टाइमिंग इतनी लाइन अप कर गई.
ललन.
हाँ, करेक्ट.
लला.
तू मजाक उड़ा रहा है तोतले लोगों का.
तो तेरी मम्मी जब आई थी तूने बोला मम्मी आप आ गए हो मम्मी.
नहीं, मैं तो जिम भाग रहा था. मम्मी ने कहा बेटा कहाँ है तू? मैं कहा मैं जा रहा हूँ जिम. मैंने कहा इधर है, तो मैं उधर गया. 2 मिनट मिला, फिर मैं भाग गया जिम.
तो मम्मी की गोदी में बैठा, फिर उन्होंने गुड़ वाली चाय पिलाई? नहीं पिलाई. इस टाइम नहीं मन करा तेरा?
मैं जैसे मेरी माँ है एक्स्ट्रा लाड प्यार करने वाली टाइप्स, पर मैं कूल गाय हूँ. मैं कूल गाय टफ गाय हूँ ना. आई एम बैडएस. तेरे को नहीं पता? हंसना मत कर
This
वहां
is
के
the last
लौड़े.
bit of the evening, and good night, guys.
Cool guy, tough guy.